Alright friends, welcome back. This is the third topic, and in this third topic I'm actually going to start writing code for the images chapter, and I have this basic HTML skeleton ready here in front of me. And as I told you, I had, okay, let me try to delete this. Okay, yes, and I told you that I have organized folders for this course, and each folder belongs to a specific chapter. And right now I'm in the image chapter. You can do the same, create an HTML1 folder, and for each chapter create a folder. So right now I'm in the image chapter, and I have some sample images that I want to play with. Okay, the first image that I'm going to have is this JPEG image. Okay, let's keep this here so that I can see the file. It's a JPEG image. Okay, let's write the source image. I'm going to write the source and I'm going to run the program. Image source is equal to, okay, let's write the local. It's a local file, right? It's located within the same file, within the same location as this main file. So the local file is going to get an absolute address, which means no pathway needed. Just directly type the name of the image, JPEG image.jpg. Okay, and word comma is closed, and I'm going to close the tag. Close the tag not with the slash, but and of course I forgot to write the alt text. Always write the alt text. Okay, and then say plant a seed, plant a plant. Okay, and I'm going to close this inverted commas and close the tag. Okay, let me save the file. File, save as. Okay, and let's just do this one time, and let's run this file. There you go. Okay, let me remove the previous examples here. Okay, this is it. Okay, supposing I need a smaller file, sorry, different dimensions of this file. All I need to do is add height and width. Okay, I want to change something. The height, you can define the width. Remember, you should be using style, but the style attribute only works well when you're using CSS coding. Okay, we can do that in HTML2. Right now, just let's work with basic HTML coding. Okay, let's just work on that. Width is equal to 100. Okay, you can play with size and see which size you like, and height is equal to, again, 100. Okay, and yes, I think the syntax is correct. We shouldn't have any problems. All right, then let's just save and refresh this page. There you go, it became smaller. And what if I want to make it bigger? Notice that you wouldn't lose your quality of the picture. Okay, let's make this 500 pixels. File, save. All right, so this looks bigger and better, but if you try to stretch the same image using the GIF or the PNG file, this image would lose its clarity. Okay, it's a bit distorted because the ratio of the dimensions are not well decided and determined. Okay, let's change this to something wider, and the height should be small. Okay, 200. File, save, and then there you go. This looks much better. Okay, I'm going to keep this so that you can compare. Let's try to write code for a PNG and a GIF image. Okay, and instead of writing the whole code again, let me just copy, Control C. Okay, and I want to add a break, because then the images would be one on top of the other. BR break. Okay, 2 line breaks. And then Control V, and this is a local file, so no worries, just type the file name directly, horse png .png. Okay, a beautiful horse grazing grass. Okay, for somebody who is visually impaired, they should be able to visualize this. And the height is going to be the same as the above. Okay, let me take this away. Yes, it looks clean. Let me save and run the file again. There you go, same size. Okay, and this is a PNG image. Okay, but notice that the colors are not very realistic as the photograph. Okay, this still looks like as if someone's painted it. Why? Because you have limited colors. Okay, and the PNG has limited colors as compared to the 17 million color combinations available for your photographs. Okay, and last but not the least, I want to try this file here, the GIF file. Okay, and again I am going to copy and paste. Let me add a line break. Notice I'm keeping the same height and width of all the images, just so that it's not too heavy on the eyes. And you can play with the sizes in any way you want. Animated GIF. Okay, .gif. all right, and the thing is, this is a rectangular file, so let's see, it should be longer. I'm going to change the height and width like this. Okay, make this 300. Probably height should be a little bit, yeah. File, save, and let's refresh this page. There you go. Okay, now this is too long. Let me make the image short. Hang it there, you'll be able to see it in a bit. Okay, let's make this just 100. Width and height is equal to 220. This is how I play, with files, image files. There you go. Okay, this is still too narrow, but the point is that this is animated, and you can see the digital clock, the numbers come from 1 to 7. Okay, 9 and yes, 6. Okay, these are the different colors. Okay, different alphabets. I don't know what it's showing, malfunctioning. But the thing is, it's animated, and you can use that in your website. There are many examples of many images available for you to use animated images. Okay, all right, supposing I want to connect this horse image or the plant image. Let's take this plant image and I want to connect this with the Edupedia world. How would you do that? How can you connect an image to a website? Okay, and that's coming up next in the next video. Hang in there. See you soon.